All right, everybody, welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. I'm Doug, as you know me by now, for sure. This is one of our 427 LS engines. We got the dyno up and running again, thank you. God bless. It's been a nightmare, but you know, it's kinks when you put a new dyno in. But it's gonna be a great thing to us, gonna be able to run some great motors on this. But it's gonna be one of our 427s, made about 645 horsepower, about 590 foot-pounds of torque. If you're looking one fabulous, great engine with quality parts, hey, you found me. I got the hands to do it all. I'm interested in building anything you got in mind. And boy, I can sure build anything you got in mind. Hey, check us out, Proformance Unlimited. We are number one. Peace. Okay, James, I got your 74 Chevy Camaro engine on it down. It has to be one of our 427 LS engines. We're gonna fire it up and give you a run demo, and I believe you are gonna be quite happy.